Did you know there is a Linux command that makes a steam train drive across your screen? Linux has a reputation for being the serious operating system for developers and hackers. But what if I told you there is a playful side too? From ASCII cows giving live advice to Matrix style hacker effects, Linux has some of the coolest hidden gems. In this video, we will go through each command. I will show you how to install it, what it does, and of course, why it's so funny. Let's dive in. Our first command is SL. In Linux, we use ls command so much. It shows the list. But if you type SL instead of ls mistakenly, Linux trolls you with a steam train animation across your terminal. It's hilarious. Just install it with sudo apt install SL and enjoy your new train station. Next, we have got Cowsay. This command makes a little ASCII cow or other animals say whatever you want. For example, Cowsay, hack the planet. Your cow now sound like a 90s hacker movie star. You can even switch animals like penguins, dragons, etc. Combine it with other commands and it's comedy gold. Next, you want some wisdom or cheeky jokes? Just type fortune. You will get a random code every time. And if you combine it with Cowsay, then your cow is not just talking, it's giving you live advice. Pretty motivating, right? Our next command is rep. If you want to mess with your friends, try rep. Whatever you type gets flipped backwards. Like echo, Linux is awesome, and rep. Here's the output. It's totally useless, but also strangely satisfying. Our next command is factor. This is our math teacher. Linux also has a hidden math teacher. Type factor 2025 and it will instantly give you the prime factors of that number. It's like having a built-in calculator that secretly enjoys number theory. Number 6. Do you need a fake name or address or phone number for testing forms? Then try the rig commands. It creates a random identity every time. For example, if I type rig, here is the output: a fake name, a fake address, a fake phone number. It's like Linux is running its own witness protection program. Number 7. The command is yes. The yes command will repeat anything you tell it forever. For example, I will write yes, I love Linux. See? And your terminal will just keep shouting it endlessly until you stop it. It's funny, but also used by developers to stress test program. Ever wanted to look like Neo from the Matrix? I think you all saw the Matrix movie. Just type Cmatrix and your terminal turns into that iconic falling green coat. It's not just cool, it's a guaranteed way to impress anyone walking past your desk. Our next command is Aafire. Number 9 is a pure drama. Type Aafire and hit enter and your terminal will be consumed by a stunningly realistic ASCII animation on fire. It's completely useless and 100% awesome. The perfect way to pretend your code is so hot it's literally on fire. Number 10 and finally my favorite, Oneko. When you run it, a little cartoon cat starts chasing your mouse cursor around the screen. You basically get a virtual pet inside Linux. Warning though, it's extremely addictive. This command may look silly, but they show the fun side of Linux, creativity and humor. Some, like yes or factor, even have real uses. Others like Cowsay or Cmatrix are just for geeky fun. So the next time someone says Linux is boring, show them the talking cow or a train in the terminal. Alright, that's my list of 10 funny and weird Linux commands you didn't know existed. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment. And if you want more Linux tips, ethical hacking tutorials, and cybersecurity fun, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep hacking responsibly.